Hi, today we talk about happiness. Do you know how to say and how to write happiness in Chinese? In Chinese, we say 快乐,快乐,快乐,快乐. So, for example, if you want to say I'm happy, 我快乐,我快乐. I'm very happy, 我很快乐,我很快乐. Happy birthday, 生日快乐,生日快乐. Merry Christmas, 圣诞快乐,圣诞快乐. Or Happy New Year, 新年快乐,新年快乐. So you see these two characters, 快乐, it can be happiness or it can be happy, depending on the situation. So in Chinese, there are a lot of words that can be a noun or they can be an adjective. So it's pretty flexible. So please have a look at how these two characters are written. And I hope you enjoyed this video. So I wish you to have a very happy day.